Rohtas Fasteners. We are an IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 certified company, manufacturing cold forge and machined components for the automotive industry and domestic and overseas market. We are Tier 1 suppliers to many well-known OEMs in India. From a variety of high-tensile DIN ISO standard fasteners and parts per drawing for engine, chassis, steering, suspension, brake part, and other automotive parts, we have specialized ourselves in the production of these. Now, let's just dive into our manufacturing process in detail. With RFL, you have the perfect fastener, durable and manufactured with precision. To produce high-quality fasteners, we require high-quality steel wires for our production purposes. Our raw material processor has a complete wire processing unit with annealing and wire draw facility. Each coil is tested against stringent quality measures to guarantee performance and quality product at our in-house quality control lab. With a production capacity of over 18,000 tons annually, our 20,000 square meter manufacturing plant with covered area of 8,000 square meters is built with state-of-the-art architecture. We are equipped with advanced machinery and tools that allow us to produce quality products. All the machines at our unit are regularly maintained to make sure that production is continuous. We have been able to manufacture high-end products through our strong infrastructural support. Now, let's check out some of our advanced machinery. Rohtas is using modern technology machinery for cold forging processes. We are equipped with advanced bolt formers, part formers, nut formers, and headers that allow us to produce quality products. We produce numerous automotive, engine, chassis, steering, suspension, brake parts, and parts per drawing from diameter range M4 to M20 and length up to 330 millimeters. Our product range includes ball pins, ball rods, axles, pin pistons, cam brakes, anchor pins, wheel bolts, and other standard bolts like heck, flange, CSK, socket head bolts, etc. The physical properties of fasteners cannot be achieved without balanced chemical composition and innovative heat treatment and multiple surface treatment methods. We use continuous mesh belt furnace for our heat treatment process. This furnace is specifically designed to service a wide range of heat treatment processes, such as hardening, carburizing, tempering, and stress relieving. This automatic mechanism has a heating capacity of 950 degrees Celsius and has a chamber full of fiber insulation system. Other than this, we are using a variety of Shekhar hearth furnace and rotary furnaces to process an exceptionally wide variety of small parts including screws, bolts, and nuts. Manufacturing high quality is not enough to extract high-quality products. We have multiple secondary operations in-house like forming, thread rolling, CNC turning, tapping, drilling, knurling, etc. Our rolling section is well equipped with modern and high-speed machines from Chenzhou and Chensai. We have both flat thread rolling and circular rolling machines. We inspect our thread rolling dies to make sure they produce uniform threads with closer tolerances and better size control. For long bolts, where the length is more than 10 times the bolt's diameter, the heat treatment can have an effect of making the steel revert to the round shape of the original steel wire. Therefore, a process of straightening often needs to be applied. We have the latest CNC machines for producing quality precision components. These CNC machining controls a range of complex machinery, such as grinders, lathes, and turning mills, all of which are used to cut, shape, and create different parts and prototypes. As such, CNC machining helps across a diverse array of industries for a variety of applications. Manufacturers and machinists use this process in various ways. This includes direct manufacturing process, indirect manufacturing process, or in conjunction with other processes. Our finishing line includes a fully automatic plating plant with SCADA control system, auto-dosing system for chemicals, and passivation and a fully AC-controlled IGBT rectifier. It has an overall capacity of 20 tons a day. Quality has always been a prime importance to Rohtas. We use the best machinery, operator quality assurance, quality systems, and complete traceability of the product to ensure quality. Our laboratories are equipped with a full range of specialized instruments which ensures accuracy and excellence. Our quality control includes technologies like eddy current, MPI testing machine, microvicker, microscope, spectrometer, UTM, SST machine, slip gauge box, retention samples, air gauge box, coating thickness tester, lux level meter, roughness tester, and profile projector. We use MagnaFlux test, also known as a magnetic particle inspection, or MPI, which is a non-destructive testing NDT process for detecting surface and slightly subsurface discontinuities in ferromagnetic materials such as iron, nickel, and some of their alloys. We also use eddy current sorting systems to provide for the sorting of material based on differences in hardness, heat treatment, grain structure, case depth, and material grade. High-quality packing is another important aspect to achieve for safer delivery of our products to our customers. We are conducting quality checks to ensure you get the product with no defects in packing material used. We have customized packing options with a dedicated logistics department for our domestic and overseas customers, ensuring timely deliveries. Our products are certified with the highest quality standards. At RFL, we believe that every business has some social responsibilities. We have been running various corporate social responsibility programs that are directed towards supporting rural development, promoting girl-child education, providing preventative health care, providing sanitation, drinking water, and promoting sports. We have received ISO 14001 certification for being environment friendly. Since our establishment in the year 2007, we have been continuously growing and improving our customer support to achieve perfection in our field. This is the secret why we are striving toward success. Rohtas Fasteners.